Welcome back, VST here at Tech. You might have seen the title of the video. I'm testing the vibration motor from the S23 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. And this video, guys, was so easier last year. So this year is the S22 Ultra and the S21 Ultra, and it was really easier because you know what? They just had different vibration motors. So the S21 Ultra had the classic Samsung Z-axis motor, which is really very powerful, very strong, but you know, not so subtle. And the S22 Ultra introduced the new Z-axis motor, so it was easier. And you can check my video here, but this year when I have the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, yeah, it's not so easy. I guess not also a lot of information I was able to find, guys. And in fact, you have to take me because right now I'm just going to play a speed-up version of myself playing 15 minutes with Rise and doing all kind of tests with different apps just at the end to decide to do a blind test. So I'm gonna get an assistant. The assistant is gonna give the two phones in my hand and I'm going to handle the phones like this with my palm to not be able to tell if that's the S23 Ultra or the S22 Ultra. Why? If you did not watch my first impression, you will know that the S23 Ultra has a different design, so a bit more boxy. So if I'm to grab it with my full hand, I'm gonna know. And again, guys, while I'm saying this, you can already see my epic fail 15 minutes trying to test with some rice grains and whatsoever. At the end, the blind test was clearly able to nominate a winner. But don't take my word for granted, guys. It's very subjective, alright? So I want this to be a funny video. I also want to save you time, right? So before watching this video, promise me to go and watch the video from last year, because there it was very easy, right? It's like black and white, right? The S21 Ultra, the motor is very strong, but the haptics, right, were not so subtle. So the S22 Ultra, the motor was not so strong because they changed it from a Z-axis to X-axis, but it was able to perform some very nice and subtle tricks like heartbeat and waltz and you name it. This year it was very hard for me to tell, so at the end I decided I'm just gonna close my eyes, I'm gonna get an assistant to give the phone in my hand, in my right hand, in my left hand, and then I'm just going to able to guess. So there is a clear winner, not by much, but there is a clear winner. And yeah, by saying this, guys, if you like Rice or you like content like this, then yeah, why not support the channel and enjoy the video. Alright guys, you know, they are so equal. I'm gonna close now my hands and I'm gonna take an assistant, and this assistant will give me a phone, and I swear I'm not going to open my eyes. So I'm gonna test two phones with my eyes closed with my right hand and then tell you my guess and then do the same with my left hand. Okay, assistant, give me the first phone. Okay, I don't want to hold the phone, guys, because if I do, I'm just gonna know if that's the S22 Ultra or not. Okay, assistant, take this phone, give me the other one. Aha, okay, good. I have, okay. S23 Ultra?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. This feels stronger. Let's do the same with my left hand. Okay. Take the phone, assistant, and now I'm just holding my palm like this, guys, because if I am to grab the phone, I'm gonna know from the edges. Okay, so assistant, please give me a phone to test. Okay, I think this feels already like the S22 Ultra, but don't tell me. Give me the other, please.
Which one?
This feels like the S23 Ultra. Right? This is the white one, the S22 Ultra, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I think with using this blind test, I was able to confirm. So the S23 Ultra, you know, just feels stronger. The vibration is stronger. And I was just using my palm because, again, if I grab the edges, I would know. So I did these two blind tests and I was able to tell every time, okay, which is which. Again, you need to believe me, right? And I want to make a disclaimer. This is really subjective, guys. So you don't have to trust 100%, but my feeling was correct. My gut feeling was correct both times I used the phone. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope that you get some fun, and yeah, don't forget to watch the others not so funny tech videos on the S23 Ultra. VST over and bye.
In few words from the assistant, yes indeed, the S23 Ultra is very strong in vibration. I'm not sure yeah, if this is in tech language, but indeed
okay.
This is the feeling from the assistant with no tech experience.
Okay,
nothing. Just
I might have started the video with my tech assistant. Was easier. Maybe I invite you next time for a collaboration. Thank you so much. Bye.